I got a few trial chickens to see if this was something that I wanted to do, and it turns out that I love having chickens. I'm Sarah with WTI, and as much as I love having chickens, they love these dried black soldier fly larvae as a high-protein treat. They get so excited every morning when I come out because they know they're going to get a song about how much I love them and some soldier fly larvae. I'm not really sure if they like the song, but they're going to get it anyway. I love giving them this treat because I know that they're getting a high-protein snack that's also an excellent source of calcium to make their eggs stronger and more plentiful. I've been giving these to my hens for about a month, and they still get excited every morning to have them. I like to scatter them around the run so that they can scratch and peck to their heart's content. I've tried other dry larvae and mealworms for my chickens, and sometimes that odor can be overwhelming, but I was surprised to find that the odor of these black soldier fly larvae was not as potent as some of the other treats I've given them, and I didn't even have to hold my breath. So if you're ready to have the happiest chickens on the block, then I think you should check out these soldier fly larvae from OHNAME, and that's my point of view.